Exercise 3.6 second sum. Express each of the following as a product. இப்போ கொடுத்திருக்கிற subdivision பாருங்க. First subdivision sin 75 degree minus sin 35 degree differenceல இருக்கு. இதை நம்ம productல change பண்ணணும். So அதுக்கு match ஆன identity sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. In the question, in the place of C, 75 irukku. And in the place of D, we have 35 degree. So, C plus D by 2. அதாவது 75 plus 35 by 2. 75 plus 35 is 110 divided by 2. So, 110 by 2, which is 55 degree. அதே போல C minus D by 2 என்னன்றதை பார்க்கலாம். Cங்கிறது we have 75 degree and Dங்கிறது 35 degree divided by 2. 75 minus 35, which is 40 divided by 2, that is 20 degree. So, in the identity, let us substitute 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is 55 degree. Sin c minus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2, we have 20 degree. So, write 20 degree. So, this is the answer. So, ரொம்ப simple. என்ன அப்படினா identities you have to write and see. நல்ல tip of the tongue இருக்கணும் identities எல்லாம். Okay children. Next second subdivision cos 65 degree plus cos 15 degree. So இது என்ன பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க question பாருங்க. Express as a product. Express each of the following as a product. இது sumல இருக்கு. இது productல இருக்கா இல்ல இல்லையா இதை நம்ம productல change பண்ணணும். So அதுக்கு match ஆன identity cos c plus cos d, which is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. C plus d by 2 and c minus d by 2 என்னன்றதை பார்த்துடலாம். C plus d by 2, 65 plus 15 divided by 2, which is 80 divided by 2, that is 40. And c minus d by 2, which is equal to cங்கிறது 65 degree minus dங்கிறது 15 degree. Divided by 2. 65 minus 15 is 50. 50 divided by 2, that is 25 degree. Therefore, so identity enna 2 cos c plus d by 2, அதாவது 40 into பாருங்க productல இருக்கு இல்லையா? So productல தான் express பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Cos c minus d by 2, that is 25 degree. So this is the answer. Similarly, for third subdivision, sin 50 degree plus sin 40 degree. இதை வச்சு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? Express the given as கொடுத்திருக்கிறத you have to express as a product. So, the product express பண்ணணும்னா we know the identity. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So, c plus d by 2. cங்கிற placeல 50 இருக்கு and dங்கிற placeல 40 இருக்கு. So, let us add 50 plus 40 divided by 2. That is 90 divided by 2, which is 45 degree. Next, c minus d by 2 என்னன்னு பார்த்துடலாம். c minus d by 2. That is 50 minus 40 divided by 2. That is 10 by 2, which is 5 degree. Now, let us substitute in the identity. So, question எடுத்து அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோங்க. Sin 50 plus sin 40, which is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 45 degree, and c minus d by 2, which is 5 degree. So, we have 2 sin 45 into cos 5. Next, fourth subdivision, cos 35 degree minus cos 75 degree, and this is in the form of cos c minus cos d. என்ன பண்ணணும்? இது differenceல இருக்கு. We have to express this as product. So அதுக்கு match ஆன formula identity என்னது? cos c minus cos dங்கிறது 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. So add பண்ணிக்கலாம். c plus d by 2ங்கிறது என்னது? cங்கிறது 35 and dங்கிறது 75 divided by 2, that is 110 divided by 2. So cancel பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get 55 degree. Next, d minus c by 2, அதாவது 75 minus 35 divided by 2. So 75 minus 35 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20 degree. Write the question. Cos 35 minus cos 75, which is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 க்கு பதில் 55 ன்றதை எழுதுங்க. Sin d minus c by 2. d minus c by 2 ங்கிறது என்னது? 20. So write sin 20 degree. Thank you children.